What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there on this Monday? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. If you have not checked out my projects, do yourself a favor. Go to the link in the description. And it's on the screen, www.coffeeandcoins.info. See what I got going on. All right, real quick, I want to go over a program, a done-for-you system, an instant pay system, a digital marketing system, an affiliate program that will show you and teach you how you can earn $400 instant commissions. All right, not just $400, $40, $100, and $200 instant commissions, any way you want. All right, CMP, Content Marketing Pros. So what I want to do is just come over here. I want to show you the value of what's included in this program, and then we're going to let you check out the comp plan. All right, I want you to hear this and hear this clearly. Check this comp plan out, guys. All right. Instant pay, direct sales, member to member. This is not network marketing. It's not MLM. You don't have to pass up any sales. No one-ups, pass-ups, any of those things. Okay. The system is already done for you. All you've got to do is plug in. All right. The link is in the description. All right. So check it out. Here we are in our dashboard, right? And everything is right here in the dashboard. You don't have to come outside of this. Just log in, make your payment, and log in, right? So, check it out. In the dashboard, once you sign up, make your payment, you're going to follow 3 steps. Where is it? Come down here, check it out. 3 steps. Follow our simple 3-step system to start making instant commissions. Step 1, you're going to get started. Choose one of the 4 levels to get access to the products, the digital products, the system, and your step-by-step digital training. Okay. Step 2, you can copy and paste pre-written ads we already have back here on social media, Craigslist, etc. All right. We show you exactly how to do it. Step 3, you can start earning instant commissions. Okay, so let's do this. Let's go over here. So let's check it out. What do we have? What's included in this thing? So once we're in the dashboard, we've made our payment, we're logged in. You're going to see this video up here, right? Welcome to Content Marketing Pros. Click the video to turn up the volume. So you're going to watch this video first. Okay. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1, watch the welcome video above. Step 2, join the CMP Facebook group. If you're on Facebook, you want to join this group, click here. Step 3, get access to your training. Whatever training you purchase, there's 4 trainings or 4 products. Right, so here's the training I have. Step 3, pro membership. Whatever yours is will be right here. Step 4, get your referral links. And I'll show you that in a second. You click here, get your referral links. Step 5, the 3 steps to get started. But once you get in here, these are the steps to go ahead and get this thing rolling. Right. Step 5, set up how you want to get paid. Before you can start referring people, you need to set up your payment options. This tells your prospects how to pay you. You can choose from Cash App, Zelle, PayPal, debit card, credit card, and cryptocurrency. Okay? Now, let's look over here to the left. So your payment options are here, right? I'm going to click it just so you can see what it looks like. That's the other thing that you can select all of these or one of these. It's all up to you, and then you get to preview the page so you'll know how people how they view it, right? So see, Cash App, PayPal, Zelle, debit card, credit card, cryptocurrency, right? And then right here are your referral links. When you click here, these are your links. Here's the funnel. Here's the join page. But here are your links. Get your CMP funnel links. So you click here. Look, here's your capture page, your thank you page, your VSL page, your presentation page. All of these are your links. We'll show you how to promote this thing, right? So if we go back here, we come here, right here, you'll see my team, my leads, add resource affiliates. But what I want to show you is the value of this stuff, your email swipe. So check it out. The training, right? So let's say I purchased the product I purchased was the Pro. So if I click here, check it out. So whatever your product is, you just click there, right? Over here, where did it go? See, it says my products. Check it out. Creating graphics, how to use Canva, Chat GPT prompts, creating videos with your smartphone, how to edit those videos, creating sales funnels, clone your voice, creating AI avatars, and there's lessons in here, okay? Creating music videos, creating AI images, creating video VSLs, present like a pro on your lives, okay? Video editing platforms, create videos, no editing, creating viral videos. Now all this stuff is here to show you how to do this, right? But we also have done for you, right? Pre-made ads already done, viral videos already done, right? So if we click over here, let's just click the pre-made ads real quick. See right here, all these are already done. The pictures and everything is on here as well. All you gotta do is click it and download it. But these are already done for you. Just copy and paste, right? And then we have viral videos already ready for you as well. Okay? The daily success blueprint is here as well. You got your bonuses here, your bonus training. All of that is right here at your fingertips, guys. All right? I mean, a lot of great value in this program for what you're going to get. All right? Look at all this. And it shows you, we'll go back to the other page here in a second, to the video sales page in a second. Look, email swipes also. Copy and paste these, and you can send these out to folks, to your prospects, and or add them to an autoresponder if you already have your own autoresponder. All right? This thing is full of value. Check it out. So if we come over here, right, and we come down, here is what you saw here in my back office, which is the Pro member, right? Over here, all of that is here. It breaks it down here on the sales page of exactly what you're going to get. 3 simple steps, okay, to get started. So let's show you that real quick, and then I want to go over this. Let's go over the comp plan. Okay, very important. How to make these payments, receive these payments rather. So let's say we want to go ahead and do that Pro or whatever. I'll just click one so you can see. It's going to be 3 steps. That's why it says over here it's 3 steps, right? Because let's say you want to get started today at the Pro. See, when you click here, it says you're going to pay the admin first, which is the company. So $200 will go to the company. Then you're going to pay $400 to the person that referred you, right? So that's $600. And then you're going to pay $400 to their sponsor. That's why this shows you how to leverage people that sign up with you and earn passive, okay? Passive commissions, That's what this system does, because it's 100% check match. All right. So every time I make 400, my sponsor makes 400. You see how this goes? So that's the 3 steps. You got 3 payments you're going to make: 200 to the company, 400 to your sponsor, and 400 to their sponsor for the pro. If you selected the influencer, you would pay 100 to the company, 200 to the person that referred you, and 200. See how it's a matching? My sponsor and we're matching. That's the 100% match. That's powerful, and that's leverage. All right. So that's the 3 steps. Just wanted you to see that real quick. Now check out this. Check out the comp plan. I want you to see really the breakdown of how this works. Okay. It's not 100% profit. It's 80%. All right. So I want you just to see how 80% works with this program. All right, guys. So let's get you over there so you can check it out. Again, the link is in the description. Go check it out. Get signed up today. You get instant access as soon as you make your payment. And you can reach out to me so that I can assist you in onboarding. I'm here to make sure everybody gets set up with onboarding. And for everyone that gets started here at the 250, right, which is the creator, say 250 or above. So creator, influencer, or pro, I'm going to add you to the rotator. Okay, the company has a rotator, but I'm talking about my own team rotator. 90 days, you're going to be in the rotator. Okay, so reach out to me once you get started. Now check out this comp plan breakdown explanation. All right, like the video, please, and thank you. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the inside. Have a blessed day.
Okay, let's talk about some instant commissions here, powered by Content Marketing Pros, better known as CMP, your one-stop shop to elevate your content. But let me show you what we got here. We got 4 individual levels here that a person can actually get started at. We have the designer pack, which is $100 one-time payment, pays $40 instantly anytime you refer somebody at that level. Then, of course, we have the creator pack, one-time payment of $250. It pays $100 instantly anytime you refer somebody at the creator level. Then we got the influencer pack, which is a one-time $500. It pays an instant $200 commission straight to you anytime you refer somebody at the influencer level. And then we have our most popular pack, which is the pro pack, which is a one-time payment of $1,000. It pays $400 instantly anytime you refer somebody at the pro pack. Now, what's really exciting is our 100% check match, which is a second-tier commission on all your personal direct referrals to CMP. Here's an example. Let's say that you came in at the Pro Pack, which is our most popular pack. Most people come in at this level. Here's why. Let's say, for example, you enroll 5 new members at the Pro level. So enroll 5 Pro Pack members. Well, you're going to earn $400 per person. So $400 times 5 equals $2,000. Now, here's what's pretty cool. Let's say those 5 new members that you just enrolled, let's say they go out and get 5 people themselves. Well, remember, you're going to get 100% check match on any time they make a commission as well. So if those 5 members went out and got 5 as well, so your 5 members enrolled 5 Pro Pack members themselves, that's going to add up to $10,000. So if you take that $10,000 plus your $2,000, that's $12,000 in instant commissions, and all you brought in was just 5 people.